When I woke up this morning, expected it to be sunny, not pouring. Every day has been so boring, and I'm feeling so abhorrent. Every morning just the same, wake up and play some game. I'm sick and tired, my life's so lame, my life got no aim. Why's my vibe so shit? I'm fucking sick of it. My life practically perfect, yet I still need find purpose. I won't find it in this purchase. Sit at home and close curtains, can't be found under a skirt, and I won't find it when I'm working. Making music's all I like, but I'll never turn a profit. I'll be stuck out in a box, shouting fantasies like a prophet. Typical starving artist, I'll be dead before I'm 25, and they'll wonder why he had a good home life. There's something in my mind, so my thoughts like beehives, when I wish not to die, but also to end my life. Curl up in a ball just like the time pass by, when I just want to cry. My brain feels so fried. Yeah, I'll be missed by my mother, dad, and my brother closest to me, and a couple of others. My followers will wonder, DM me as I disappear, for I drop off the internet like a cliff so sheer. Say to quit when you're ahead, I peak right out of high school. Musical technique not unique to make mine cool. I'll die with no maiden, no words to my name, and my death will be the defining trait. It's my claim to fame, but it'll all be in vain. Feel this music with my veins, produce when I feel good, rap when I feel drained, cause I'm a little bit emo and a little bit gay, but it'll never matter, it won't work out anyway. See, that's the ultimate futility of life without a motive. The condition is a whole soul too big for automotives. Being rich won't make me happy, name one person that it has. Don't have the will to make millions before I pass like gas. The bourgeoisie lies, says money will cure your life, but even they can't get it right. Make trillions and still in flight, but they don't do suicide till the power's out of sight, and they've stripped us of all rights and pretend we're all fine. Look, the point is, it's pointless. Life is so poignant. Wish I could flush my problems out just like I dropped them in the toilet, but my head's so full of shit I must have soiled it. But I'll never kill myself just like big oil is, or ecology and planet. I'm terrified of what the plan is. I'm feeling so aimless. Thought graduation's great until I'm laying dead brainless. I don't want to kill myself and die nameless, and be rude to the ones who love me, ones above me on the family tree would mourn and coddle me just like a newborn baby. That's how I'm feeling lately. Friends reanimate me, fluid necromancy, and I'm feeling real antsy. Anytime I'm not around them, wish I was pushing up pansies.